For a long time, I had been having the illusion that I look much younger than my biological age. But things started happening when I was approaching 50. There were signs, multiple signs, telling me, well, you may still look younger or feel younger, but you are definitely not special. One of these signs was from my knees. There were certain physical moves my body told me I could no longer do it confidently anymore, such as jumping up or down at certain heights or carrying some heavy weight upstairs. Another clear sign from the knees was a cracking sound. It happens when you stood up from the sitting position. It became more and more frequent. Here's how I dealt with it. It's easy, it's simple, costs you nothing. Just like many other things really matter in our lives, there's a catch. The catch is it will need some commitment and some discipline. I tried with some full squatting exercise every day for some days. It certainly helped, but not that effective. And my concern was, what if I overdo it? It might make things even worse if I overdid it. Then, since I was doing standing exercise every day anyway, I thought, why not blend in just for a few minutes with some gentle knee bending movement? And in just a few days, it worked. I could feel my knees are definitely getting stronger and I don't get a regular popping sound anymore. Wow. Now, we go through our standard preparation. Keep your feet apart, about the same width of your shoulders. Bend your knees just a little. Front, relaxing. Back, tightening. Neck, prop up. Shoulders sunken, elbows fallen. Then, put your attention into your knees. They are already slightly bent, but effortlessly. Now, slowly bend just a little more. Slowly, consciously to feel the muscles here. Then, slowly, with just a little effort, bend more. You should consciously feel the muscle in a more stretched position. Figure of speech. Use your inner eyes to watch on both of your knees. You see, not only the upper muscles are working, the muscles below the knees directly are also in action. Stay for a brief time. Then again, slowly raise up to the initial height, but still with a little bend. That is one circle. I would suggest to synchronize this circle with the circle of the breath. You may close your eyes a little, divert your attention from your visual stimuli of your sense, and concentrate the stimuli from your knees. Repeat this cycle 10 times, as slow as you can. Now, let me introduce you to the type B circle. The only difference of type B circle against type A circle is the up and the downs are within smaller range, and it's around the lower position, just like this. And the same with type A, you do it 10 circles. Also try to synchronize with your breathing. That's it. And I think there's a good chance that you will feel your knees get stronger in just a few days, and this popping or cracking sound will get much less and only incidental. And please let me know the result in the comments.
Good one, Daddy.
And say hi to my daughter, Lara. Bye.
Hello.
That's my daughter, Lara. Bye.
Carry me.
She just woke up. Hi, viewers.
Hi, viewers.
Okay, bye.
This is a channel of me. Bye.
There's another channel about you. Yes, about the learning. Yes, bye.
Bye.